Hey guys, Kevin here with Kevin's Cadillacs. Just a quick video on how to smoke out your turn signal or side marker lenses. And what we're using is this Easy Auto Wrap found on eBay. Very quick and easy to grab. I'll go ahead and show you the process. All you need is a little bit of cleaner to clean the lenses, and then a little razor blade. We'll go ahead and get into it in a time lapse here. Alright guys, remember, you gotta sit here and clean the lens very well. Go ahead and pre-cut your film to size. Follow the edges all the way around. And there we have it. Much better. Transparent tint film. Changed the whole look of this 2021 Cadillac XT6. Thanks for watching, guys.